Today we're diving into Google ADK, a development kit that claims to simplify AI agent creation. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore what it offers and if it's worth your time and effort. Google ADK, or the Agent Development Kit, is designed to help developers create AI agents with a focus on accessibility and efficiency. At its core, it provides a framework that allows for easy integration of AI capabilities into applications. The user experience is fairly streamlined, with a focus on guiding developers through the process of building and deploying agents. One notable aspect is its compatibility with various Google services, making it a compelling choice for those already in the Google ecosystem. However, while the initial setup seems straightforward, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation, which may leave some users scratching their heads, especially newcomers to AI development. The intended audience appears to be developers with a basic understanding of AI concepts, but there's a risk that those looking for advanced features might find themselves limited. Overall, while Google ADK has potential, the execution could benefit from clearer guidance. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Google ADK offers a clean interface and integrates well with existing Google tools, which can save time for developers. The potential for rapid deployment of AI agents is a strong selling point. However, there are notable frustrations. The documentation is sparse, which could be a significant hurdle for less experienced developers. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about the platform's flexibility. It might not cater to those who need more advanced customization options. Pricing is another area to consider. While the initial offerings seem competitive, any additional costs for advanced features or services could add up quickly. Overall, this kit may not suit everyone, particularly those looking for a comprehensive toolset right out of the gate. In conclusion, Google ADK has its merits, particularly for developers already using Google's ecosystem. However, the lack of thorough documentation and advanced features could deter some users. If you're looking for a straightforward entry into AI development, it might be worth a try, but those needing more depth may want to explore other options.